when it comes to beef ka Duncan no ungazothi uthatha amasayidi.
Okay, ubona ngayini manje?
Awusho lutho nje uyithulele
ikona nje ungathatha amasayidi.
Khona into efanele uyisho zayo.
Ikona ungathatha amasayidi lo ukuthi wena ungayithola usokhuluma into ethize ezogcina ikufaka enkingeni, yabo?
Okay.
Because
imali yini wena ungenayo i-district
Yeah.
edisa uZulu uDuncan at the same time njengoba disembarkment njengoba kudiswana.
Yeah.
You didn't take part, why? What about Fetu? It's your boy Sandy the AM. Of course, you are watching the Basement Podcast with Sandy the AM. Yes, I am back with another explosive episode, Fetu. Shout out to everyone who's subscribing and comment and also sharing our episodes, guys. Thank you so much. Keep on doing it. Keep on doing it. Press a little button. Be notified. It says Figin. So it says Figin ngempela. The number one podcast in KZN with no doubts. Numbers don't lie. Sebengasho noma yini abayishoyo, but ngimile nje ngenkemba ngithe nje yeah. And angifuna ukuchithela isikhathi namhlanje ngibona ngirelaxile kuma new premises. Kuyafika kakhulu. Shout out to KZN Music House. Yes, that's where I'm about. What's up? Bafethu akufuna nje ungena kakhulu endabeni eziningi. Sonke sibonile indaba za Gaten Mackenzie, indaba ze racism. Uthini umbono wakho wena lapho? Mina I'm not dead today because nginomuntu engizobe ngimuthi imbuzo emncane efanele imbuzo emkhulu noma emncane ukuthi emkhulu kangazi ke zwenze njani. Should find imbuzo emkhulu. Ladies and gentlemen, without wasting your time, the award-winning internationally hip-hop artist all the way from KZN, Mr. Zagwe. What it do, dog?
ngimnandi.
Okay.
Ngishapha.
Yeah, but finally size sishaya.
Sekufika isikhathi.
What was the problem before?
No mfethu, I think yonke into iba ne-purpose nesikhathi sayo. Kahle bengingawenzi nje vele ama podcast, yabo?
Yeah.
Because bengingakabi ready mina personally. So manje ngireach phase yokuthi ayazini angiqale ngisebenze because sengizokhipha ne-album, so ngiyazi ukuthi le podcast inkulukazi, yabo?
Yeah,
so ngiyayihlonipha ngithi ake nginikele khona.
Yeah, but you came to the right place in faith.
Sure.
But Fejoba Singshilo, we have Uzawe in the house. Zawe, you know the story, guys.
Yeah.
About the back time that we've seen that Jabo. But most of abanye abantu abas kahle ukuthi uzago dabuka phi. Like mina nami first half ngakazi ngangincinza ukuthi hayi mhlawumbe uzago mfethu waselamuntu. Yabo ngabe ngakuphosa emlazi. Yabo kahle inkaba ithini.
Inkaba indabuko iyonke kahle sisuka eMsinga. Sisuka eMsinga endaweni ekuthiwa isenqongeni. And then ubaba ke wayesephuma inxiwa wathola umuzi ngapha kwaMashu. So lathi nesifike saqhamuka khona ke nabafowethu nodadewethu sizala kwaMashu esinqonqawini ukuthi ke that's why abantu abaningi bezoza ukuthi hayi lo muntu uMashu kodwa manje lesi sizulu lesi yabo simbaxambili ngiyangena ngapha ngenxa ukuthi bengumuntu obeya eMsinga buya eKaMashu eMsinga noMashu, so ngakhona ukuthi lesizulu ngisibambe, so ngidabuka kwaMashu esinqonqawini ngase station kwaMashu.
Mfethu ulayini wami kakhulu.
No.
But mfethu I don't want to dive into wangifunda phi kanjani uyabonakala ukuthi ufundile kona. Sengisho mhlawumbe noma ejazana.
Sacishe safika lapho. Uyazi ama-musician amaningi phela lento le mawusufikile lo moya uvela ufike kukhungathe ngayo yonke indlela, so nafika kona.
Uthi abhala i-exam ukuthi angithi mina ngiyakutshela mfethu upenile ithini manje. Uthi uku-exam uyazwa kanjani ukuthi uyabhala uthi mhlawumbe uyabuza umbuzo uthi umbuzo uyabuza uthi mhlawumbe yini iqoqo ngesingisi. Uyasho ukuthi hayibo iqoqumela ngoba kuthiwa hayi mfethu ucela uphume kuleli class mfethu ngoba ngempela kazothi awufuna then wangena ke ku-music.
Ukungena kwami ku-music bekukuthanda nje, yabo? Ngulalela kakhulu, ngithanda lonke uhlobo lomculo. But I've always been a writer. Bengumuntu ohlezi nje ethanda ukubhala, yabo? So kwase kufika leso sikhathi ke sokuthi hayi man, ngoba ngiyakwazi ukurapha ingoma kaEminem, ngiyakwazi ukurapha ingoma kaTupac. Ake ngibhale mina manje ngibone le nto ingenzeka, yabo? So ukubhala ngqo ngiqale 2002. ukuqala ke ngithi ake ngiyibhalele mina okwami but ukurapper bengilo ngikuthanda nje vele yabo. So ngangena ngaleyo ndlela ke kumculo from i-poetry because I believe wonke into ethi rapper ngokomthetho i-poet yabo, ngoba i-rap vele i-rhythm and poetry. So ngangena ngaleyo ndlela from then onwards angaze simenge.
Uyazi mhlambe zako sicishe sibe nama similarities when it comes to i-taste ye-rap. Mina I'm a hardcore gangster rap. Bo Snoop, Dr. Dre, Bismarck, Melly Mel, Queen Latifah, Big Daddy Kane. Ngibeke lapho manje umuthi wena yena wavele wayithandela uyazi ngithestwa yini musuthi wena bese ngikwazi ukurapper njengo Eminem. Mina I used to bekhona iculo eli hip hop like i-track ngi-rap phezulu kwaleyo rap yebo leyo but isigisi singasazi wena wabona kanjani ukuthi usuya-rapper ke manje?
Mina mfethu njengoba ngisho ukuthi if ukwazi ukurapha ingoma yomunye umuntu it means nawe wawusukwazi ukurapha yabo. Okubalekile ukuthi usuyakwazi ukubhala wenza ingoma yabo, but ukurapha kungenziwa inombani. It's either uyakwazi ukurapha ingoma ka Jay-Z, uyakwazi ukurapha ingoma ka MC Light uyiraphe kahle, then usuyakwazi ukurapha kahle hle yabo. Konke sekulele kuthenini ke wena ubhala into enjani because abantu suke sebelalela i-message, but ukurapha into engenziwa inombani yabo, but ukubhala ke into sethanda ukujula kakhulu yabo.
Because asazi mfethu mhlambe ungasichazela Zako uZako wenziwa yini, what made uZako yabo ukuthi abo uZako yabo? Yes, you can rap this but I'm sure along the way ubaningi abantu ohlangane nabo. Your first ever professional work as a rapper, how did it came about?
Baningi abantu mfethu aba-shape music career yami. Firstly it was UK Master, which is the first ever producer ngasebenza naye. Ukhona umunye umfowethu kwakuthiwa uBrain waseMaritzburg, sisase duty ngoba ngangena khona ukuthi angiqedanga ngangena kole duty ukuthi ke yabo. So lensizwa le yona esasirecorda nayo i-mic sayifaka la yabo. Yangifundisa ke ezinye izinto. I even produced ezinye zeingoma kwi-mixtape yami yokuqala, ama-beats ngizenzela mina, you know. But before that ngo 2003 kwakhona uK Master. uK Master yena umuntu engaqala kuyena nje yabo. So uyena umuntu wasirecorda sisay-group eyibizwa ukuthi Killer Carbon. Kukhona amajita kaMashu nje yabo. I think Killer Carbon. I think umrap abaningi kahle kahle ama-musicians iqala egroupini le yabo, bese kuba khona lo yedwa ke kuzothi hayi lo so nami ngaphuma ngaleyo ndlela washape leyo career, and then ngithe mangifika eVasi ngahlangana nabafowethu ekuthiwa i-DM Media yase Claremont.
Ovukani khona lo munye uLungisani nama was part of i-DM Media.
Is it?
Nginawo ama-rap
baba discover abantu
too
much your beast, your 4051 or 10K, you know. So ngithe mangisuka lapho ngase ngihlangana nabafowethu ongane ngahlangana nomkhulu ngaleso sikhathi wayebizwa ngoGuru. Uyena umuntu ke ngambona ngathi mina umoya wami ungiholela ngakulenzizwe approach yabo. So naye kwa umuntu oshape kakhulu icareer yami until isifika ko baba usithole kanjalo
Asibuyele la kongane is always have a taste ukuthi one drop imali and then wena nawe ukhona lapho. So Dan Kenny umkhulu ungane kahle kahle ngesakhe story because abantu sebezwile especially la kwi-Basement Podcast yabo ukuthi ungane uyena impela washaya inyuku. Wena eyakho umbono uthini mfethu, what happened?
Mfethu uyabona kuningi okuhle okwenziwa umuntu bese kuvalwa ezincane izinto ezimbi yabo ezithi mazenzeke empilweni yakho bese kukhungatheka yonke le yanto enhle yabo. Because no lie mfethu ungane has always been engine when it comes to Isphethu, which is the company esayifoma nayo uGuru. Sithema sesiqeda ukufoma leyo company sa recorda kuyena ungane yabo. So ukuthatha ngikubeke nje sa recorda kuyena, then ungane was like hayi bafethu ningangikhokheni ngicela ungena mina kwinkampani yabo. Wangena ngaleyo ndlela ke yabo. So uyena umuntu obe engine because ngisho kanjalo because in terms of recording ama-album uyena obesirecorda, uyena obesimanager, uyena futhi obebamba ama-call makuthiwa kwenziwani, you know. Ngapho umkhulu was very instrumental in terms of making sure that everything happens. It was more of an investor and executive producer ukuthi sesirecordile ke nongane awuthi ngilalela ayibafowethu engathi ngingashintsha la engathi nganjani, you know. So i-team yonke be very strong, you know. So to a point where kwafika ke phela leyo influence yokuthi yazini I am a percent man awathi ukushintsha, you know. Understanding ukuthi for the longest of time bebengitshela nabanye abafowethu ukuthi hayi ipercent lakho engathi ungalishintsha phela wena uyacula, yabo. But mina understanding ukuthi sisuka up neinsizwe, I was like hayi khululekani bafowethu, yabo. To a point where ngiceleke nami ukuthi hayi bafowethu ukuthi ukushintsha la kuvunyelwana kamnandi, you know, until kuze kufika isikhathi la uGuru naye ethi hayi bafowethu mina ngisekho happy, yabo. Ngasala nongane ngaleso sikhathi ke besisanda kusayina no Duncan, yabo. Sithe masimsayina kuSkuva, unfortunately uGuru naye ubesehamba, yabo. Sasala nongane, so kwa reach phase la uthola ukuthi liyona le engine le esigcina siba engine ngomunye umuntu, yabo. Sekunzima manje ukuthi asibekezelele sobabili, yabo. So kwagcina kungazathi manje mina ngisazazi ukuthi ngenzani.
Uqinisile za ngoba kuyo yonke lento esikhulumayo uzange uphawule awutholakalanga laze lashicile iphepha. Sizokuthola namhlanje ukuthi wena ukwenzakalani because angikhumbuli ngelinye ilanga kuthiwa ngene ndaba kangani uza kuthe.
Hayi kahle nje usenhlanhleni enkulu.
But mina looking at the situation, I feel like it's Dr. Dre and Suge Knight and also no Eazy-E. Where you thola ukuthi khona umuntu oyifounder, and then mesuthola umuntu oproducer, and then mesuthola umuntu futhi oyi-artist. Then lezo zinto mezingahambelani kuba nohiqo-hiqo. But ungane as a producer, I think he knew the side of business. Mina ngaleso sikhathi bese nilazi ukuthi lento iyi-business or ngiyacula nje ngoba phela ngikule emuva.
Mina umuntu oyengalazi but umkhulu uZulu why include up kakhulu because wakwazi ukwenza ama sacrifice noma kuthiwa hey uthola umsebenzi endaweni ethile but the vision yokuthi i-team khona ayibonayo, so he understood ukuthi lento le iyakuphi, yabo. Although ngaleso sikhathi wayengayena umuntu wamoya, but manje kumenza ngirealize ukuthi hayi lensizwa le yayiwumuntu wamoya because yayikwazi ukuyibona, yakwazi nami ukungibona ukuthi le ndoda khona la iyakhona, you know. Until we reached the phase la nami sengibona ukuthi hayi angibona ngathi content engiyenzayo angeke studio, angizazi imali makuthiwa bagigile kwenziwani, so lo muntu engimlethe la ngizuzani ngaye mina, you know. Kwagcina ukuthi ukuhlukana kwethu ke kuhlukana lapho in terms of, but lokho ukuthi ke kwashawa imali nani
wadla malini.
Angiyazi ke lonto.
Izako mfethu wadla malini mfethu ngasho mfethu estimation.
No, honestly angazi mfethu. The only thing engiyaziyo mina is when ngathola ama royalties, because ama royalties ayinongena enkampanini yethu isiphethu, yabo. So athe mengena khona ngase ngimthinda ngathi mfethu angisekho lapho kodwa kunemali engenile lapho yami ngiyayibona, hayi mfethu ngizocela unginingi, yabo, because ekugcineni kwakho konke sasingaxabananga, yabo. Till today akaze sikhombane ngo7 nongane, it was a mutual agreement ukuthi ayasiyeke ukusipana abafowethu sengiyaphuma, yabo. Nakhona futhi okwaye into eyabani nokungiphatha kabi because uma sengithi hayi mfowethu ngicela ukuhamba, there was no questions to say uhambelani
wakunika kodwa le mali.
No, ngagcina ngayitholanga. Ngizongena kuyona ukuthi imali kwathi hayi mfowethu hayi ngeke usakwazi ukuyithola, you know. Even nama awards, yabo. Esawawina agcina ehlala ngakuyena, so ila kwangazi ukuthi sengiyabona ukuthi hayi kusho ukuthi siyaxabana, ngixabana nomuntu engingaxabene naye, because for me it was to say ngiyazibona ukuthi mina ngisasiza lwalutho olutheni la ngicela ukuphuma, yabo. But then uma kukhona izinto ezingenayo nezimali nani nama awards ami sengithi hayi ngicela ungibuyisele, if ukugcina lokho it means ukuthi siyaxabana, yabo.
Uphu Duncan lapho.
uDuncan phela ngithi waye artist, so wayengahlangene kakhulu nalezi zinto, yabo.
So Duncan was just an artist signed in with Sphethu when we co-owner nawe yesiphethu. And still futhi uyi-artist futhi.
Still ngi-artist khona la. So ngalesi sikhathi yena ehitter begiga benza yonke into kumina ngagcina ngumuntu ohlezi, yabo. Ngaleso sikhathi okwakubuhlungu ukuthi nami nganginenkinga ne-native rhythms ngapha, yabo.
Cause yabona i-native rhythms angazi nafeni ubaba mekubizele eJozi lapha. ubani Makhabane
Ubaba uSipho Sithole.
Sipho Sithole,
Yeah.
I mean, was it beneficial for your career, or maybe it was another waste of time?
Ayiwona khiye ke loyo.
Yeah.
Iwona khiye. Yona nkunzi yangithatha yangibeka, yabo. Kakhulu, because there's a lot of things esasingazazi ngeindustry. He was there as the guru to say kusuka la kiwa la, kusuka la kiwa la. The only problem thina sabanayo ukuthi our vision was to say sizosayina one album bese sayimela, because already siyinkampani, yabo.
Eish.
So yena uma sayina sasayina 3 albums, yabo. So mase sithi sifuna ukuvaya, sekuthiwa hayibo
No one
naka
knows.
amaphepha phela, yabo.
Eish.
So inkinga yaba lapho ke, so kwawukuthi ngaleso sikhathi mina ngilwa lezo zinto ne-native rhythms, ngapha uDuncan uyaphakama uyahit, yabo.
Ey.
Angikwazi ukurelease, angikwazi ukwenza lutho.
That's
So
sad.
nginaloko ukuthi abafowethu ngabe ngikhosela kubona la, yabo. Ngibona ngazuthi nami ngiyasidestepheka,
Yeah.
yabo, ngaleyo ndlela. Yeah.
But ubaba Sithole naye uke waduma ngey'nsolo zokukhwabanisa. Baningi abantu abake bakhala ngayo ukuthi wabanokha. Nina naba nenhlanhla yokuthi nje ufuna lo 3 album.
Hayi mfowethu, ngeke ngiqamba amanga mfowethu. Kumina ithama nje laba neqiniso. Inkinga kahle kahle yafika nathi njengoba ngikutshela ukuthi thina besine vision yethu. Yabo, ilokishi ukuthi ayazini so shy one album sithole lesi step esinyakaza.
Shothi wabo clever.
Ngasho njalo because naye wabona ukuthi angikwazi ukinvesta kangaka kumuntu bese vele yahamba, yabo. So naye wayilwelwa into ekhona ngaleso sikhathi, but thina i-understanding yethu kwakuthi asiyingeni leyo nto, yabo. Bagcina kuthisitana ngaleyo ndlela.
Awume mfethu imndeni yenu, before I go to the next questions, awu. Imndeni yenu kuyo yonke le mister yonke lento kuyaxatshwana, bakuphi nje abazali, mhlawumbe unkosikazi, what's going on ekhaya?
No mfethu, always phela uma ukuthi wena ukwazi ukukhuluma bazosupporta wena. So ekhaya mina support yayikhona. Mangibuya ngithi hey nama awards ami, athi uma wawina ama awards aphi. Le ndoda le wathathile. So obviously uzogcina ningamfuni, yabo.
Nonke ekhaya.
Nonke ekhaya, understanding ukuthi lensizwa le iyona ebikuthwala, iyona insizwa ebikuthatha ikumanage, yenza yonke into ikufaka, yenza sure ukuthi ugrand, yabo. But ngalento encane sekuvaleka yonke le yanto, yabo. So to a point where uGuru even naye ezophuma esiphithu, naye weze ekhaya ezobabikela, because ukuzwana kwethu kwaku more than just abafowethu, njengoba lo mbuzo ubuza ukuthi imndeni sasezizwana kakhulu, weza nasekhaya wazobika ukuthi hayi mani mbona umfana kwenzeka kanje angisekho mina eduze kakho, because ngangiyintwana vele mina, you know. So okuyinto eyangihetha kakhulu, naye yamhetha, you know. Sure. Because manje I strongly believe like i-fairness ayibanga khona even towards i-situation from my end, you know, because that guy sacrificed so much for me, yabo. And till today ngihlezi ngimbeka nami ngisho nje nakubafowethu ukuthi hayi la nsizwa kodwa ngiyafisa ngelinye ilanga ngiyibonisa ukuthi hey wakwazi ukuvala yonke into kwazonaka mina, yabo.
You sounds like mhlawumbe ngelinye ilanga you can ngingathini ingaba khona i-reunion mhlawumbe wena uDuncan ungane K Master, just nje ngeke senzeke.
Uyabona mina noDuncan nakhona sake satwisitana for plus minus 6 years. Singazwani, yabo.
Bangwani ke lapho.
Ngaleso sikhathi bekuyiyona lento yokuthi sekubekiwe kuyena ukuthi uyambona yini lo muntu ngathi unomona for wena, because there was a time where uDuncan akhala kumina ukuthi ayimfethu ayi angiboni ukuthi ngikhatheleka imali right la kuyiyona, yabo. That's why kuzofika lokho ukuthi mhlawumbe udle imali or whatever. And it was a decision yabo bobabili ukuthi ipercent lizoma kanje, ngangayazi kwamina, yabo. So ngiyeke kulensizwa ke hey ngane mfethu hayi le ndoda ikhala la ikhala ngemali, ay lensizwa bese ungane yangithetha hayi mina ngiyazi le nto mfethu, kanti uzovela umthinta uDuncan. Mina angimtshelile uDuncan ukuthi ngisayomtshela, yabo. Ngikhuluma nami ngoba ngivukuzeka, yabo. uDuncan makufika ke la vela hey mfethu angiyazi mina leyo. Nangu nje uza ukuthi wena kanje uthi hayi angaze ngisho leyo nto mina, yabo. Understanding after ukuthi hayi it was because of ukusaba, you know, ukuthi le ndoda isivile yafika, yabo, yazongibuza imibuzo kanje. And mase ngibuya nakumajida ngithi hawu bafuthi nangu sikuve ngilahla la athi amajida hayi kushuthi mhlawumbe ubethukile nani. So for me I've always been that big brother that understands, yabo. Ukuthi I know it's fine, you can't take mina because mina ngeke ngikwenzele lutho yabo
Sure.
nangu ngane okuyena umuntu obona ukuthi nase Afro kunani so I understood ukuthi angeke vele ulahle yena ungane so angazi ngibe naleyo nto you know but to him it was put ukuthi hayi uyambona njalo ukuthi
Nomona.
yabo sekhalela nezimali phela akasagigi you know
Yeah, ngiyacabanga
Yabo.
ngiwadusha ukuthi nawe uyambona lapha ePop
You
uvanga
understand?
nawo ama-award awathola ama-royalties awathola uDuncan uyanyuka lapho
yabo
vele nawe
ngiyalwa la
uyalwa
inative
ngawe.
angirelease
Yeah, uyabona
yabo
Eh.
so I understood so ngakhetha ukuhlehla ukuthi ayazini bafowethu ngicela ukunidedela yabo then I started iToti by nature mina eceleni yabo
Sure.
so abafowethu ke ya ukutwistana kwethu kwalapho because akekho umuntu engangaxabana naye ngo7 but it was me saying ngicela can I keep my peace yabo
Sure.
so sangazwana ke for isikhathi eside then the next thing waphuma ingoma wayitshela ukuthi ngidisa yena
kwi-17
kwi-17
ngoba before sekulo ngoma ngiyayazi khona i-Z side nebani bani is not
Yeah.
that type of
i-Z&D ifika manje
Z&D
yeah
ifika manje.
ngaleso sikhathi ngangikhipha i-17 where uDuncan was known as a storyteller so line wami ukuthi I'm not a storyteller I'm a golden seller yabo
kodwa wena kahle kahle yayithini ngempela
no kweqiniso ngakurealize after ukuthi oh that's why ayitshela ukuthi ngiyamdisa
wena
yabo.
wawungasho koyena
no uqinisweni mfethu cha ngangirapha nje
oh rap
ngoba phela sekudlulile manje ngabe ngikhuluma iqiniso
but ngiyakhumbula I'm not a storyteller
I'm a golden seller one is on a seller yeah kwi-17 and then nakhona it was put to him
sakuyiba indabango uqondise
ngikhuluma iqiniso
bese vele iqalile lento ama-distract kodwa sayini singakayazi
no mfethu ngabe ngiyalikhuluma iqiniso manje ngabe ayikho into ngabe ngiyayifihla
Okay.
ngangimhlokoloza no
yena
but then I
wahlokoloza
realized wahlokolozeka ngezwe kuthiwa ubhala i-diss track nakhona wagcine ngayibhalanga because he understood ukuthi yini engizothi ngilwa nawo for uzakho nozakho
yeah ningena kanjani lapha e-Afro because nonke mase namba si-Afro manje
Yeah.
asazi wena ukhona amagiga ase-Afro ukhona but angikuboni shutha notira kodwa uyi-Afro
yeah
niyenzani lapha e-Afro
okay before ngibuyele lapho le reunion ne ngoba bengisayichaza kahle yabo
ubezawuzanga uyichaza
yeah le reunion mfethu si grand namajit yabo the only guy esingekho grand naye izungane
Yeah.
and nakhona mina between mina naye okwaba mfethu mhlambe kusakusha ukuxabana kwabo yabo okwami wangifonela through umfowethu ekuthiwa uSibuwa sesibuzi lounge
ngibona
uSibuwa semcela ukuthi ucela ukuthi akhulume nami ukuze ezodlulisa indaba kudlulwe axolise yabo ngezinto ezenzeka so i-reunion yafika lapho kutheni hayi no it's fine ngithi makusho wena bhuti omdala ngizonyuka wafika saxoxa wangichazela ukuthi hayi mfowethu cela ukudlulisa ukuthi nokuthi so for me kwadlula ngaleso sikhathi yabo
Yeah.
but uxolo ngeke lamukeleke ngendlela ekahle if engekho lawo ma-awards zingabuyanga lezo imali it means lolo xolo lu half gabagaba so
Yeah.
i-reunion ayisoze yenzeka until kwenzeka into ey'njalo angikholwa ukuthi sayobuye sisebenze yabo.
Sure.
Yeah so that's the only guy hayi ukuthi ngixabene naye but ngigrand la khona nami ngila
so i-reunion asithi nje no
ngeke yenzeke
yeah
yeah
back to i-Afro
back to i-Afro
nazo
no i-Afro fethu it was a company I believe ukuthi yayizongisayina ngaleso sikhathi because uDanger wayengithanda kakhulu yena umuntu owangi-introducer e-Afro
Yeah.
yabo through ukuthi ezwe i-album lami from uTshatha yabo then yangena ngaleyo ndlela ke wangifonela the first paying gig was through Danger we Big Nas so kanti bafika ngisanda kusayina vele native yabo
each
so instead of ukuthi kungene mina kwagcina kufika uDuncan bemuzwa eziwe uTira yabo
Yeah.
because uDuncan wafika njengomuntu engangimncane wayese groupini yabo
Yeah.
then ngamkhetha ngamnaye le yansizwa leya konde
Ah.
ngizwa ngamnika ama beats okwawami wa recorda kuona
Yeah.
that song became one of the songs eyangena kwi-YFM uTira wamuzwa khona
kwi-YFM
kwi-YFM
Yeah.
yabo wangena ngaleyo ndlela ke nathi ke sase affiliated ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi Afro bafowethu so angaze mina ngisayine khona umuntu nje esijwayele ukusebenza naye yeah
bafethu yini nisabayo yazi akekho umuntu okasho nje ukuthi sisayinile i-Afro
uyena phela uDuncan wasayini mina ngaze ngisayini ngangisenative rhythms mina
ukuthi sonke isikhathi nonke man phela kwangake zako ngikufaka stage
yeah
mina nje myself
kamnandi
kamnandi futhi but ufike kube uyebo baba mase kuba afro usukuphakathi la awukwazi usho tsotsi iphayini angikuzwa nzako
no yazi affiliation yangena kule album yami no Duncan iyona album esikhiphe through Afrotainment yabo because it was supposed to be Mabala Noise neToti by Nature yabo ne Afrotainment kwaba nehixi ke kwagcina kwi Afrotainment nami iToti by Nature sasebenza phela kwale album so iaffiliation ingena ngaleyo ndlela because uzongithola ngise studio uzongithola samba nayi Afro noma Koya because kune album esiyikhiphile no Duncan umuntu wakhona lapha ekhaya owakhona lapha eMsamo uyena uDuncan
and then mfethu mhlawumbe nje zako mfethu I know unama awards nama album but mina I knew ukuthi at some point khona lo muntu ofuna ukusebenza naye but before saying lo muntu ofuna ukusebenza naye balo sokusebenza nabo ngempela washo ukuthi yabona ke fly bese ngifike la bese ngibona ngempela ukuthi no I'm rushing the top before you even go overseas sizophela sikuchazela ukuthi you went overseas and abantu bakhumbula ukuthi ne ushaya native ushaya ivenek yabo but shwi America yabo la ubani phethu your best ever collab okwaba nayo washo ukuthi yabona manje
I think phethu zo 3 insizwe ngisebenze nazo ngathokoza emoyeni wami yabo uStocky T
sure
uPro Kid ebese kuzoba uZola 7
only yabona yabo bengazi ukuthi
ibona abantu nje engathi ke ayi kushuthi sengileli izinga engangilifisa because ama idols nami ngangibukela kona kakhulu to a point where namhlanje niyakwazi ukuthi nifonelane you know to a point where uPro Kid uthi mayifika la wathi mayifika la eThekwini ezoperform uthi zako usondele yabo kungenza ngibone nami ukuthi kushuthi khona into engiyenzayo yabo
yazi zako siyafana mfethu ngoba fana nami nje njengoba sihleli nawe ngithola ukuthi ngine number yakho mina yabo akulula uba nenumber kazayo yayibona into engishoyo you know what I mean guys yayibona into engishoyo akulula uba nenumber kazayo kwi-speed dial yasakho o mhlawumbe lese ngibe nenumber ka Brick Coffee o eka DJ Tira
lezo nazo nje nawe
ngizobuke ngibeke cricket nangitira yabo ngibuka ama stories akhe ngisho ukuthi hayibo nawo ngene mina I even call you and senze zonke izinto but like kusho nami at least and then
zawinja kakhulu
and then final wayaphesheya what was the purpose why overseas
hey ngala lapho futhi ungangena ngenxa yemisebenzi engiyenzayo ye-hip hop aside from ukucula yabo ngangeniswa ukuthi lapha wawuyofunda ngolwazi le-hip hop ozokwazi uphinda udlulisa so babefuna labo bantu emazweni I think sasu12 emazweni ahlukahlukene you know so la eMzansi kwakuyimina ozohamba yomela iSA yonkana
yabo from kwamasho to
USA yabo it's kwakuyinto enkulu kakhulu ukuthi kwakuthusa ke phela ngoba ngangihamba ngedwa ungene ebhanoyini kuthi uzohlala 18 hours ngedwa ngithola kuthiwa kuneja sami la yabo ngithi mangifika lapha kuthiwa ugibela isitimela ushona la so ngihamba ngedwa so iyona tricky part but in terms of ukuthi into esasiyele yayinhle kakhulu because I got to meet abantu abanengo Redman o Method Man ngaya kuma shows abo ngapha ngaya kwi hip hop museum yakhona you know got to understand ngaya la yaqala khona i hip hop yoqala isho yenziwe eBrooklyn ngithi so ngiyathela ngqo yabo so nje mfethu kwakuyinto egrand ngibuya ngisho eWhite House phakathi you know so I'm him
get out of here
mfethu kwaba uhambo oluhle nje kakhulu
wow my man I'm so happy to hear that good yazini all the way from Kwamashu and then I get to sit down now kanje and then you tell me about the White House
well in English you tone that down because I was Orkans dog you know
that's what's up dog
I'm from the US man
damn man
it was a great experience
that's a nice movie and then TV lapha kwi TV ayizakho mfethu yonke into iyaphambana lapha
Yeah.
and uphethe umngane wakho uqatha
Yeah.
and nonke nje aniyona leti TV eshoyo niyaphi kule TV le ngoba phela I understand ukuthi nozama uncipha kodwa buka zakho advertise zakho yini
akubonakali nabo bafo sengizame kanje sengizamile kodwa
khuluma iqiniso guys
yabona mase ngihlala ngingakhechi
So how the TV show came about and what's going on? Are you coming back? Season what?
Abangifonela nje mfowethu bekhuluma indaba ukuthi uyafisa yini ukuthi sike sakubona ujima kwi-journey yakho so le program is about ukuncipha yabo so uyafisa yini ukuthi ungene kuyona angena ngaleyo ndlela and then just to spice things up ngase ngithinta umfowethu uqatha you know uza kweni you know to spice things up yabo so wangena ngaleyo ndlela ubafo so yona ke iyama I think after 7 episodes you know ngenxa yehiqi ababe nazo bona so it's been promised ukuthi manje mhlambe ngoSeptember izobuya mina kuyongifica vele mhlambe bengasangiboni sebeduka ngoba senginciphe kakhulu yabo
akuyabona ukuthi ajima mfethu. But guys, we can talk and talk, but there's a situation in South Africa where we have these problems, whether it's crime and crime on daily basis. So mhlambe wena take it to this crime scene, especially in Mkwanazi engaging, exposing yonke lento. What's your take? Do you think bazoboshwa labantu ekufanele baboshwe? Or will we ever curve indaba ye-crime in South Africa?
Hey, I think ngizoba nzima mfowethu. Ubugebengu I feel like abusuka phezulu and ngeke bengaprotectani bona yabo. I feel like naye ubaba uMkhwanazi ufike kuleli zinga lokuthi kade ngizama ukuyilungisa lento njengoba kuthiwa akwenziwa kanje. I feel like ufike kuleli zinga naye sethi okay akwenziwa kanje kade ngizama kodwa ukulungisa ngalendlela enishoyo angivele ngiphumele emphakathini ukuthi mangishawa ngiyashawa yabo so I'm not sure if it's going to be solved but we are getting somewhere yabo we need people abanjeyana abazoba brave bakwazi ukusukuma bathi enough is enough it's either man ngakulungisi mina kodwa sengikuvezile
ngizamile
yeah
and then we have Katin Mackenzie coming on as umuntu manje ngathi uyi-racist ngenxa yokuthi osibiza ngama K-word and stuff like that. Do you really think we are a kafir?
Hey, yazi leso statement ngiyezwa nje kulokhulunywa ngayo angizange ngizwe nokuthi ubethini.
But I'm asking you Zaw ukuthi wena do you really feel like umuntu masathi kuwena hey wena kafir shothi ungaphatheka kabi?
I think uye wena uwona wenza lo kafir masusho uzwena yabo
that's the honest
but to say nje sama kafera but message hey wena hayi ke into ezolandela lapho vele sikuyabo
and then there's this big moment in your life. I mean, I've always realized at some point at some point I realized there was wena nomzulu and Hlukani but why umzulu ningamfaki like engangene egameni
I think mfethu konke lokho soke sekulele kuNkulunkulu wakho nabakini yabo because singakwenza konke but isikhathi masingakafiki yabo I feel like it's Igleo phase because that guy is very talented you know nakhona ke kuluke sekulele kuwena nokukhuthala kwakho yabo because singakwenza konke but uma isikhathi singakafiki and stars haven't aligned because it's the very same thing that happens with other musicians nabadlali bebhola esibazi ukuthi isikhulele lokushini usibani bentswembu yabo bani bentswembu bavele kwazi oqhamuka omunye yabo so even for me there were a lot of rappers wabebentswembu vele yo Abdusis yo Akalicious LUS Sean G you know but uNkulunkulu wathi hayi ake siqale ngalensizwe yabo so naye I really feel like his time is coming. Obviously, izinto mawuzenza zingenzeki, you'd feel like you want to give up. So we are here, Tina, as his brothers, to say, don't give up.
Sure.
It's still going to happen. So that's why namanje ngisasebenza naye.
hey ubaba so
iyo leyo nsizwa
Mfethu, I
Yeah.
love that dog so much.
Sure
And
case.
then when uma ukhuluma about your stars lining up and everything,
Yeah.
I feel like your stars have already
Yeah.
into places. Bengikubuka nje ukuthi ngeke ungangeni, ngeke ungasebenzi
Yeah.
no Big Zulu.
Yeah.
Ngiyakwazi lokho.
Yeah,
Itho
sure.
mina bengikubuka wena uyihambele ngithi yabo
Yeah.
le ndoda le mengase nje one day
Shaya ingoma nale.
ngishayine ingoma nale ndoda.
Yeah.
I think angakubuza nje mhlawumbe ngihambela angisazi wathini si hayi not even kwi podcast setup or something but I think angakubuza la.
Yeah.
Now uhlangana kanjani no Big Zulu?
Yeah.
I feel like Big Zulu is a superstar. Futhi akayena umuntu ufana nalabantu ade basikhuluma ngabo zakuthi khona abantu ongasondeli kubona uma
Yeah.
into zakho zingakenzeki
Yeah.
because bona isidima sabo yabona na yonke into abayiyona bahlangane nonsense nje yabo.
Yeah.
Sorry to put it that way
Yeah.
but abahlangane nento engasila. I'm sorry for to put it that way. Abakuzothini mfethu
Superfly.
ubona nje uBig Zulu mfethu ababe around abantu abanamabhata mhlawumbe athothi mhlawumbe usabangwa yidala ngeke ulunge lapho ko Big Zulu mfethu akhe siqondile
Yeah.
ngoba sabangwa yidala hayi fane yosho
Unenkinga leyibongo.
hayi so many problem. So when how did you ever met that guy mfethu ngoba nami nginestory sami naye
Yeah.
eksaya nawe kusona.
Okay. I think should ikona ukulungisa umsamo ngeke. No, bese ukuhlangana kwami naye ngihlangane naye back in 2011 or 2012. I think 2011. So uyena umuntu owayehleze efisa ifeature nami yabo ngaleso sikhathi because wayesa underground mina sengirilesile.
Sure.
You know. So I learned to understand ukuthi he saw me and Pro Kid as one of the people about naba abantu abarapper yebo.
Yes.
So ngithe mangithintwa through umzulu uyena umuntu obewumngani kakhulu naye uZulu yabo.
Yeah.
Angitshela ukuthi hayi le ndoda lefuna ukushaya ingoma nawe. Bafika ngo11 ebusuku behamba no Gigi Lameni hayi ukuthi wayehamba no Gigi babehamba naye
Uyamkhiya yini uJiji kwewamkhiya?
iyona nje into engifuna ukuyilungisa ukuthi
Cha phela ngeke ulizuliveze igama la Gigi Lameni engamkhiya.
no ngithi kulabo abantu ayihamba nabo
Kwakhona
kwakhona
noGigi.
uJiji Lameni
Oh,
ngoba
behambe.
bafika ngetekisi
Oh.
driver nje itekisi ngqo hayi ngishi iQuantum
Uyazi wa reason.
Yabo.
Okay, yeah.
bafika nje lapha kumina yazi mfethu awukahle
Ngiyamchazela
Yeah.
angayithathi kabi reason.
no ngizama
Into yakudala.
ukukhombisa umlando ukuthi basuka
No, that's why ukhombisa ngithi ufuna ukuthi kungabe bikho umuntu ozoba nenkinga. Shout out to reason. Yeah, mfethu.
so bafika nje mfethu bacela ukuthi sishaye ingoma ngavuka ebusuku ngo11 ebusuku sahamba safika sa recorda sayishaya ingoma from then onwards waphenduka umfowethu yabo sazwana nje kakhulu bangenza ama shows ngimbize mayenza ama shows naye angibize you know until engena ko Universal esayina bengithinta ngithethe mfowethu ayangibhekise lapha mfowethu naba bangisayini you know so we've always been attached ngaleyo ndlela you know ukuthi kuzo zonke izinto besibonisana yabo even ngena kuyinkinga nama beef naye mina inkinga nama label so ukuzwana kwethu kwangena ngaleyo ndlela till today so ukuzwana ke kuqale ngaleso sikhathi
mina uBig Zulu mfethu bengazi ukuthi ngine beef naye siyalungisa lapha kaSibuzi Lounge shothi ngabiza uDan Ken Dan Ken ngambuza ukuthi uma engasehlangana noBig Zulu ayenze njani wathi uDan Ken no uma engahlangana naye lyrical angambheatha but uma bengaya physical uBig Zulu angamshaya. I think uBig Zulu leyo nto akayizwanga kahle because sike sahlangana nenye comedian kwenye comedy show a big show kwakwe Celestine Ntuli about 5,000-6,000 people lapho nami ngithi hawu nangu uBig Zulu backstage and then mase leli comedian leli mase liba umuntu elingenze ngathi ngumuntu omubi yabo umuntu ozoqhama sethi yazi laba nama podcast abo Big Zulu I think kwadidwa ileyo nto uthi message lo kanje wangabusayi read
so encounter yangaba right
yangabusaba right bese sihlangana ka Big Zulu eka Sibu sengiyakuyena uCrotman ngithi phethaybo uyini manje ngathi nginenkinga nayo ngoba mina angiyibuzela
ngangibuza umbuzo okumele ngubuze nje abantu bazi
kuphela and futhi ayikho into eyithatha side lapha but zawe wena when it comes to beef ka Duncan no ungazothi uthatha amasayidi.
Okay ubona ngayini manje
Awusho lutho nje uyithulele
ikona nje ukungathatha amasayidi
khona into efanele uyisho zayo
ikona ungathatha amasayidi lo ukuthi wena ungayithola usokhuluma into ethize ezogcina ikufaka enkingeni yabo
okay
because
imali yini wena ungenayo i-district edisa uZulu uDuncan at the same time njengoba kuyi disembarkment njengoba kudiswana you didn't take part why
njengoba ngisho nje mfowethu ukuthi for example uSkuva kumina is more like a brother yabo uzalwa kwaMbambo nami ngizalwa uMambamo so leyo nto yohlezi ikhona you know and then ngapha ku Big Zulu it's friendship more than anything sisuka kude yabo and there were times where singazwani mina no Duncan for like 5-6 years now he was there yabo and futhi akaze ngithi angazwani no Duncan ngenxa yami yabo because bebekhuluma bona bezwana benganankinga yabo because inkinga yayi between mina naye so ibeef ngokwe hip hop is always about I'm him meaning kunzi yabo so nami when it started I took it as that ukuthi ayingcweke insizwe yabo but yazi ya reach phase la nami ngingasekho comfortable because ngayi beef I'm not comfortable so that's why you won't find me kuma distracts because thina sobabili siyazwana nensizwe nangalo ngiyazwana naye so ngeke ngazama ukuyilungisa kwasho ukuthi imoya ibisaphezulu kakhulu yabo but manje ikwi phase yokuthi isingalunga because zombili insizwa sinalento ukuthi hayi no singaxoxa futhi nje ubona ungasakwebhana even kakhulu this because I also intervened ukuthi hayi bafowethu ngicabanga ukuthi ayisekufika isikhathi because ngeke futhi ukuthi kushawana bese ufika uyalamula na uphosa ngoba sasa basangahlangana boyithu kuphinde idume noma uyisolve lento uyisolve nangokomoya nayo yonke into uyabo
is it safe to say o Big Zulu as masses wayenza lama distracts wayezama ukurevive iculture ye hip hop for some strange reason izinto eshow abantu for some strange reason uDuncan took it personal yabo so much that uDuncan kwakufanele naye mhlambe athi distract ngabu lapha phezulu nobani no Big Zulu but manje kunalento abantu abayisho ukuthi nokuba akazange ayithathe personally ngabe manje usebenza kuwena what's your own perception ngalento engisho is it true or maybe it's a myth nje into engekho
ngokwami mfethu beef ayinawo vela ama rules yabo it's up to you guys and before ukuthi where do you want to take this yabo so I feel like ababanga nayo I-understanding bona boy2 because once you mention ukuthi okay let's not have rules it means you're willing to fight with anything yabo given the fact ukuthi we've seen abo Big nabo Tupac they were willing to take it there to even to death yabo so elami lithi ngiphakama ngoba angifisi ukubona sekukhona othunye uphuthu yabo I really feel like it should be lyrical so in terms of ukuthi uDuncan wanyusa umoya nobani wanyusa umoya ngeke ukuvimbe lokho yabo so if anyuke lo moya kulele kuthini ukuthi sithi hayi mfowethu ehlisa umoya naye uZulu ngapha hayi mfowethu ehlisa umoya yabo but angeke ukuvimbe lokho ukuthi ayihambe ngalendlela if ningayixoxi nina noyi2 yabo
now usayinuba manje
hayi ngimele mina manje ngimele mfowethu okuyinto engeke ngithi ngiyayiqhakambisa because baningi abantu manje abazoqama amanga betshela umuntu ethi hey ngalinga usayine baningi abantu abakutshela ukuthi ugrade 7 unzima ugrade 8 unzima so umuntu akangathatha ama failures akhe awabeke komunye umuntu khona umuntu abadalela ukusayinwa khona abangadalelwe so mina
hey nawe
mfethu so mina ngaricha leyo phase yokuthi sengisayinile ngabona ukuthi I know sengazama manje ngiyimele yabo so nginenkampani iTsotsi by Nature engikhipha ngayo
and then mina my wish mpra wami ukubona uDuncan uZulu wena uBig Zulu maybe angiyazi leyo nto yabo Zulu Big Zulu Duncan Big uzawe nonke nibe yabo I wish mhlambe iTsotsi by Nature angisho ukuthi incane kodwa mfethu ibe affiliated to Inkabi Records.
Yeah.
Because I feel like what they're doing in Inkabi Records
It's huge.
is proper.
Yeah,
Yabo.
kakhulu.
If I escape, like companies wanna bees and stuff like that. I'm just wishing.
But strong,
The Google looking show you.
Yeah.
The keep album no Zulu is just one track.
It's just one track, but Uzulu has been very inspirational in terms of making sure that this project happens. Is even vocal ngako uyaphumela kumphakathi uthi bafowethu phela siphusheni le ndoda i-release, you know. Even kwenzeka kwaleyo ngoma, it is through him saying iseThekwini woza mfethu size la endlini sifake istudio, yabo. So yaqhamuka ngaleyo ndlela ingoma. So ngasho ngithi mhlambe ngelinye ilanga kuyokwenzeka njengoba kwenzeka nakumfowethu uSkuva esathi masihlala sagcina senza i-album, senza ingoma ezimnandi because ukuzwana kwethu sizwana nangokomoya, yabo. So nangapha uZulu ngiyafisa ukuthi kwenzeke naloko kushoyo, yikho ngithi mase ilungisa le ndaba yebeef yabo ayilungisa umsuka wayo babe grand so that ngelinye ilanga sokwazi ukuthi senze ingoma sibe sonke, you know, nami as it by nature ngireach le level yo Afro no Nkabi, yabo. Yeah.
Sharp, and shout out to all the efforts, and shout out to your push Azako and you are down to it. Now, lengo misiphumile noma ngiyayibona akakoma nenzani isiphumile sesingayithola
seyiphumile mfowethu, ibizwa ngokuthi ngase ngithembile. Ingoma enomqondo ocashile but icebisa nabafowethu ukuthi kuyenzeka uthola umuntu uyijethi sekuyena even for 10 years.
Engibonile
yabo uyijethi sekuyena for 10 years or 15 years and it's okay. It doesn't say anything ngawe if lo muntu esekushiya.
Yima ngichaza ungakayichaza kakhulu yezo problem lapha enye out ikhule ngathi iyahlupheka kodwa umuntu omthandayo. Ngebhadi yamhambisa umuntu wayebuka ilentuzana ishow noma ifestival evele ificuzakwe berapper lapha. Yabo nje iqala imdiyasa ngithina leyanto ngoba nami iyangishaya mfethu kwifro uthi waba nomuntu alokho ukushutha nozakwe
lapho nozakwe yini lapho
nawe uyashutha ngoba nginawe nje la ihloko kodwa it's nice and it's shutha kamnandi but please try check bafela I saw it on YouTube. And Shuti, this is the start of everything with Big Song.
Kakhulu mfowethu. It might be the only song or kama izoba 2 or 3 kwi-album esozenza naye umculo uhamba ngomoya. So mfowethu uyangisiza kakhulu even when I'm in Joburg. Ungishiya ne-studio bizo XY as a recorder, you know, because he really wants to see this happen and nami ngike ngiyaphusha ngayo yonke indlela kodwa hayi ukuthi ngisenkabi mhlamba abantu bayabona ama video mangise studio. It's just him saying na ifacility ngoba mawusejoza awunaso studio, yabo. So sebenzani bafowethu into kanjalo.
Aphethe utshela abalandeli bakho mfethu ukuthi what they can expect to your album yonke into oyenzayo mfethu.
Bafowethu njengoba sengibizile kuFly ngizonazisa ukuthi album iya drop ngoSeptember. October yaphuma i-album kaZakwe. Already ama feature khona, ukhona uSkuva, khona uZulu, ngisakhuluma no Beast manje, khona uPretty Ugly, khona uYoungster CPT, baningi abantu, khona uAB Crazy, khona uKhulichana, so i-album ezoba mnandi nje kakhulu. Ngeke ngibenzele abantu aphansi, cela baphinde banginike igolide ke ngaze ngabizwa ngomagolide ngoba bangikhipha ngishaya igolide. So ngiyacela abantu bangise from igolide manje ngicela ukuba uplatinum. Ngicela ukukhuphuka manje.
So last time ngakubona urapper kwenye show
Katshwaza.
I was keeping ngephethu nge-Sci-Fi 1 phethu mase sayivani show.
Amathak lyricists flows heavy lawa ngakugwelizisa ngigwenyezindja mayihelizisa ibutho likampangazitha niyangiphazamisa ngikhavizitha ngapha niyangifakazisa ngipheke ngaphaka nali iphinifa kwashizitsha ngisangashintsha amagiya bezinsiza ziyogiya ibheshi igiya lokusine emsinga mangifike ukusinga bongoqina lempiso yiwina neqhinga lizofika kudindiliza amavila phela ivili ivele liyajika.
Yeah.
Hallelujah.
Yeah, but shout out to
Excellent.
you, Zago. Thank you so much
Ngiyabonga,
for pulling up,
ngiyabonga.
too. God bless you, my brother. So I share my head with Zago and we shut down the whole thing, man.
Yeah. Shout out to Fly Motion.
Yeah.
Umfowethu lo mfowethu ngiyayithanda kakhulu i-podcast yakhe ingakho ngithe uma ngiqala ngenza ama-podcast ngicela ukuza kuwena mfowethu. So shout out to Sandile M. Shout out to the Basement Podcast.
Yeah.
The name is Zago Shinqanqa representer on Twitter. It's official Zago SA. On Facebook it's Zagwe, and then on Twitter it's Zagwe SA. Njalo njalo. Ngiyabonga ngethuba album yeza. Nkulunkulu anibusise.
Peace.